You have probably heard that the US has some of the best business schools in the world. But did you know that European MBA programs are quickly catching up and even surpassing US programs in some areas? With shorter durations, lower costs, and incredible international exposure, Europe offers something uniquely different. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we are diving deep into the key differences between top US and European MBA programs. We will uncover surprising facts and insights that you might have never considered yet. Things that could completely change how you view your MBA options. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will have a much clearer picture of where your MBA journey should take you. Program duration and format. First up, let's talk about program duration. Most European MBA programs are just 1 year long, which means you can dive back into your career faster. On the flip side, US programs usually take 2 years, giving you more time to explore different career paths through internships and networking. It all depends on how quickly you want to get back into the workforce. Cost and return on investment. Now, let's talk money. European MBA programs generally have lower tuition fees, and with a shorter study period, the overall cost can be much lower than in the US. But don't let that be your only deciding factor. The return on investment from both regions can be impressive, with graduates from elite schools in both the US and Europe landing high-paying jobs. It's about finding the right balance between cost and the value you get out of it. Age and experience of candidates. One interesting difference is the age and experience level of students. European MBA programs tend to attract older candidates with more work experience, typically in the 28 to 35 age range. In the US, you will find younger students around 25 to 28 years old. This can impact your classroom experience. European programs often offer richer discussions with more seasoned professionals, while US programs might provide a more energetic and diverse early career perspective. Flexibility in application requirements. When it comes to getting in, US programs are usually more focused on GMAT scores and GPAs. European schools, however, take a more holistic approach. They place a higher value on your professional experience and the overall quality of your application. If you have got a diverse background and strong work experience, an European program might be more flexible for you. International exposure and placement. If international exposure is important to you, Europe might have the edge. European MBA programs are incredibly diverse, with around 90% of the students' body typically being international student. In contrast, US programs have a lower international student ratio, usually between 20 to 40%. Plus, European programs often have higher international placement rates, making them ideal if you are looking to work outside your home country after graduation. Location and lifestyle. Location plays a huge role in your overall MBA experience. US programs are often located in bustling cities like New York, Boston, or San Francisco, where you will find countless networking opportunities, but also a higher cost of living. European programs might be based in cities like Paris, London, or Barcelona, offering a different cultural experience and often a more affordable lifestyle. Think about where you would be happiest spending your time. It can make a big difference in your overall experience. Quality of education and networking opportunities. Finally, let's not forget the quality of education and networking opportunities. US schools like Harvard, Stanford, and Wharton are renowned for their case-based learning and powerful alumni networks, especially in industries like finance and tech. But European schools like INSEAD, London Business School, and HEC Paris are just as prestigious, offering a global perspective and a strong network across Europe and beyond. Your choice might come down to where you want to build your career, whether it's in the US, Europe, or somewhere else entirely. So, which is better? A top US or a top European MBA program? The truth is, both offers incredible opportunities. It all comes down to what you are looking for in terms of program duration, cost, international exposure, and the kind of environment you want to be in. By considering these factors and aligning them with your career goals, you can make the choice that's right for you and set yourself up for success in the global business world. Now, if you are ready to make the big move, connect with Edugo experts right away. We are here to help you make the right move. Also, if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have got any questions or need more advice, drop them in the comments below. We are here to help you on your MBA journey. See you in the next video.